What would make this an especially useful conversation for you today?
And I'm just kind of stuck on like where to get started. I see all these things on Facebook with the community, and I have like no clue what everyone's talking about. So I'm Googling stuff, but I'm just really trying to get started. And the reading comprehension part seems to be my biggest struggle when I took like the practice test.
What's your approach to reading comprehension currently like?
I read the questions first, and then I go back and read the story.
Okay.
Um,
And do you find that's helping you, do you think?
I find that it helps, but sometimes the story just seems to drag out, and I think I lose interest and I lose focus because it just seems to be so long. I think that's the biggest hurdle for me.
Yeah, that's incredibly natural. I mean, the passages are written to be boring and to be confusing. And so you've got to find a way to get yourself interested in it. I often recommend caricaturing or exaggerating the different viewpoints being presented in the passage in order to make it a little bit more relatable. And where did you come across the idea to read the questions before the passage?
I Googled it, and and that was like one of the couple of the top answers that I found when I had Googled like how to do well in the reading comprehension. That was something that constantly came up a few times.
Yeah, I hear that. I mean, I know there are some people out there who recommend it. I personally, I don't think it's that useful because you're always looking to walk away from the passage with the same thing, which is the main idea, the primary purpose, the author's opinion. That's what you want to take away from the passage, regardless of what the other questions are. The detail-oriented questions, you can always go back for the answers to them when you need them. You can always return to
Okay.
the passage. But for your initial read, if you walk away with the main idea, you've already got a good number of questions taken care of.
Okay. So that's something to try then. All right. I never thought about that. So your suggestion is to read the passage first and then go to the questions?
Exactly. Read the passage, extract the main idea, and summarize the different viewpoints either on the scratch paper or just mentally, and then use that information to knock out all of the general global questions in the passage.
Okay.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.